How do I merge two Facebook accounts?
Hello viewers, welcome to our new guide on how to navigate your Facebook accounts. Today, we'll discuss a commonly asked question: how do I merge two Facebook accounts? Unfortunately, it's crucial to know that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Facebook does not allow the merging of two accounts. But don't worry, there are ways to manage this situation, and we'll delve into those.
Why can I merge two Facebook accounts?
To understand the answer, we must first understand Facebook's policy. Each Facebook account is personal and tied to a unique individual. It's against Facebook's terms of service to maintain multiple personal accounts. Therefore, Facebook does not provide a way to merge two accounts.
What can I do instead?
Since merging isn't possible, what alternatives do we have? The recommended approach involves deactivating one account and transferring any essential content to the other account.
How can I transfer content from one account to another?
Transferring content between accounts involves several steps. 1. Save information. Begin by saving any critical information from the account you wish to deactivate. This could include photos, videos, contact information, or anything else of importance. Facebook allows you to download all your data. 2. Recreate posts. Unfortunately, you can't transfer or migrate posts directly between accounts. You'll need to recreate any posts manually that you wish to have on the main account. 3. Refriend contacts. On the account you want to keep, send friend requests to the friends from the account you plan on deactivating. 4. Rejoin groups. You also need to rejoin any groups or pages from the account being deactivated. 5. Inform your friends. It may be helpful to inform your friends about the change so they know to accept the new friend request and aren't surprised by the disappearance of the old account. 6. Deactivate the second account. Once you've moved all essential data, you can proceed to deactivate the unwanted account. While it's a bit of work, this process is currently the closest method to merging Facebook accounts. Remember that having multiple personal accounts is against Facebook's policy. Consolidating into one account will help you avoid any potential issues down the line. We hope you found this guide helpful. As always, be sure to review the current Facebook policy and terms of service, as these may change after my last training data in September 2021. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next guide.